Although dance and math may seem to be as different as a dog and a soccer ball, there are many ways that dancers use math to create and execute dance numbers. Not only that, but dance can be a great tool to help learn basic math concepts. A grid may be a mathematician's canvas, but the stage is a dancer's, and it may surprise you how similar these two are. Though these concepts may seem like polar ideas, we pose the question, is dance related to math? Dance has a practical mathematical application of many concepts like symmetry, asymmetry, shapes, lines, angles, and patterns and timing. One of the most obvious ways dance and math are related is through geometry. Certain positions in dance require your legs and arms to be in certain shapes, lines, and angles. You can find many examples of this in ballet, which is a basis for many dance forms. Shapes often used in ballet are the circle when doing ronde-jambes, the diamond when doing demi-pliés, and triangles when doing glissades, dégagés, or passés. Angles are often used when defining between the grand and smaller forms of moves, such as dégagé at 45 degrees and grand battements at 90 degrees or higher. Lines are also prominently used in dance, whether it require for you to be in lines on stage or have your legs and arms in a line. Creating these lines are not only important for the look of the positions, but balance also. All of these dance moves and concepts are the basis for many others and have been combined and altered to form new styles of dance. By using different shapes with your legs and arms, you can add variety to any dance, while still including these basic forms.
Elaborating on the dancer's workplace, the stage and dance studio work in the same way as a coordinate plane would. Dancers block or organize themselves in different arrangements on stage and in the studio to look aesthetically pleasing to their audience. The floor or stage can be seen as a coordinate plane, and each dancer is a point on that plane. There are many ways to arrange dancers on stage. Each of the different forms that dancers are placed on stage are called formations. Many of the most commonly used formations in dance are geometric figures such as triangles, parallel and perpendicular lines, squares, circles, and diagonal lines composed by a group of dancers. As it would be boring to the audience's eye to see a group of dancers stay in the same position for a 5-minute medley of dancing, dancers change their placement on stage in formations with symmetry. As an example, there is a triangle of dancers upstage, which is towards the back, with the center point downstage, which is towards the front, and we want to move the center dancer to the back rather than them staying the front. We reflect the formation by bringing the center point upstage as well as moving the sides of the triangle towards the back and leaving the back line of dancers where they are. We are reflecting along a common y-axis. Not only do dancers need to be constantly aware of the shape of their bodies and place on stage, but also of their timing and patterns within a dance. Dancers use patterns in music and timing to create patterns in their dance. Imagine a cosine or sine function on a graph, which is a wave. In dance, we use a universal wave called the 8-count. In each wavelength, the amplitude may be different because of the emphasis on certain counts in coordination with the music. Dance does not always use the generic 8-count. In music, there are different beats in the middle of counts called half counts or the and count. When we have the and count, the frequency of the wave can change because many times the and emphasizes the dance move done in that section of the routine. When the amplitude may be 1 during a generic 8-count, when you have and counts, the amplitude gets higher because of the emphasis on the dance move. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Have a different amplitude and wave than just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Dancers use many math concepts on a daily basis, and dance can even be used as a creative way to learn these. Dance not only requires strength, flexibility, creativity, and passion, but a mind that understands and uses math. Being a dancer is impossible without understanding the geometry related with different moves, awareness of your space on stage and to other dancers, and being able to keep track of the pattern and timing within a dance.
Math is not dance, but dance is math.